Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic, a bike that perfectly balances classic style with modern performance. If you've been eyeing a cruiser that screams both nostalgia and power, this might just be the one. Let's break down everything you need to know. Design and styling. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Heritage Classic has all the iconic features we know and love from Harley Davidson. The sweeping fenders, retro-inspired lines, and a stunning chrome finish that makes it impossible to ignore. The nostalgic look is complemented by modern LED lighting and a sleek, updated headlamp, making it stand out even when color options like the classic vivid black, Baja orange, and two-tone schemes. There's something for every rider who wants a vintage cruiser with a fresh twist. Performance and engine out. Under the hood, or should I say the tank, the 2025 Heritage Classic comes equipped with Harley's powerful Milwaukee 8 114 engine. This 1,868cc V-twin engine delivers an impressive 111 power for highway cruising and city rides alike. The bike's performance is smooth thanks to its lightweight frame and upgraded suspension. With the added touring suspension, you'll feel comfortable no matter the road you're riding on, making long-distance rides a breeze. Technology and features. Harley-Davidson didn't skimp on technology with the 2025 Heritage Classic. It now comes with a fully integrated infotainment system featuring a 4.3-inch touchscreen. Riders can easily pair their phone, navigate, and even listen to music on the go with a Bluetooth-compatible headset. Safety's key too. You get features like Reflex Defensive Rider Systems, RDRS, which include cornering-enhanced ABS, traction control, and electronic link braking, all designed to give you better control and confidence on the road. Comfort and ride experience. When it comes to comfort, the Heritage Classic doesn't disappoint. The low-slung seat along with its adjustable rear shocks ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising around town or embarking on a cross-country journey, this bike is designed for the long haul. Plus, the ergonomics are spot on. The handlebars, foot controls, and forward position seating all contribute to a relaxed yet responsive riding posture. Conclusion. So there you have it. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is an amazing combination of timeless style, top-tier performance, and modern technology. Whether you're a seasoned Harley rider or a newcomer, this bike offers everything you need for the ultimate cruising experience. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts on the 2025 Heritage Classic in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and news on the latest Harley-Davidson models. Stay safe, ride free.